This is how to easily create an account on the website. You are going to first of all enter the details you want to use, your name, your phone number, and your password. After which the phone number you enter is going to be verified. The code will be sent to you via SMS and you just enter it into the section where you are supposed to do so. Once that's completed, your account is ready. So here I'm going to show you how you can place an order on the website. So here I gently tapped on the product and tapped on the add to cart icon. So here for the leaf sheets, there are different colors available. So you can toggle the colors you want. I mean, you can tap on the colors to see how they actually look in real life. From there, you can select the quantities you want for each color by tapping on the plus icon right below where the colors are. Okay, so for each color, you can select whether you want two colors, you just tap twice. If you want three, you just tap three times. So once that's done, once you are comfortable or once you are um, satisfied with what you have done with your selection, you just tap on the cart icon and it is added to your cart. So once you are done, you can also go back to the first page, tap on the next product, and then move on. So always keep note of the dimensions of the product. It tells you how big or small the item is. Once you are comfortable with the description of the product, you can also add that to cart as well, and then go back to the previous page. So here I'm done with what I wanted to order. Now the products have been categorized into different categories. Okay, so you tap on the three dashes in the top left corner of your screen and it's going to redirect you to the different categories under which each of the products lie. So here I want to see all the silicone molds available, so I'll just tap on the silicone mold category and it's going to redirect me to the page where all the silicone molds available have been listed. Another trick I use to see everything on the website is after I've tapped on the silicone molds, I'm going to tap again on the all categories listed at the top of the screen. And it's going to bring all the items on the website through to you on your screen. So here you can see all the different items we have available and it is listed from page 1 through to the end. So you will just go through and navigate the different products that are available on the website to see what exactly you want to purchase in addition to your previously selected items in your cart. However, if you do not want to add any other items, you can just move on and tap on the cart icon at the bottom of the screen and then you can proceed to complete the order. If you have a coupon code, this is where you enter your coupon code. If not, you can just proceed to checkout and this is the page it will redirect you to. So at the top, you see shipping info. That's where you're supposed to add your delivery address or your delivery details. Okay. So for the address, you can enter anything that can be a little more specific to wherever you are. So if you feel like there's a location on Google Map or anything you want to enter in there, you just enter that in there. Next, you move on to the country section where you're going to tap on Ghana because that's the only country we deliver within. Then you're going to move on to the state and then enter or tap on the region you are located. And then your city, you can also select that as well. So for the postal code, you can just use 233. It doesn't really matter. So you should be sure to enter a valid phone number since this is the number the rider is going to reach you on once he gets to your location. So you just save your address and then you proceed to making the payment. So once your address has been saved in, you realize the shipping info has a green check next to it. And then now you confirm the product and then you just move on to making the payment. So the payment method is already listed as Paystack, which is a payment gateway. You see what happens next. So don't worry or don't think you are doing the wrong thing, okay? So you're just going to select and agree to the terms and conditions and then proceed. So the Paystack is a payment gateway that gives you the chance to choose between card payments and mobile money payments. So here you can see mobile money payments and that's what I want to use for my payments. So I'm just going to tap on pay with mobile money. So here I'm going to enter the mobile money number I want to use for the payment. So just for the system to be sure it's a legit authorization, it's going to send a code to your mobile phone number or the number you have entered for the payment. Okay, So what you're going to do is you're going to enter the code just as it has been sent to the very same card or the number you are using for the payment so that it can authorize the payment for you. Once you are done and once you have authorized or confirmed the OTP, it's also going to send the payment notification to the very same or number. So if it's in another phone, you're going to enter your PIN first and then you're going to approve the payment. Okay. So once the payment has been approved on the SIM, the pay stack is going to confirm that you have paid for the amount or you have made the payment that has been sent, and then your order is completed. The next thing you should also keep note of is the fact that you can easily use the search bar on the website to find anything you want. You just have to be very specific and very simple with your search. Okay, so if you are looking for pen molds, you just search pen mold, and the different types of pen molds on the website will be listed for you. So you realize how easy it is to make payments or to place orders on the website. It's not difficult at all. All you need to do is just follow simple steps or simple methods one after the other, and then your orders will be confirmed for delivery.